ya guys, ini sekedar informasi gua di sini. Kalau kalian login atau main mobil Arena of Valor, dan akan mendapatkan hero dari DC, yaitu Batman, secara gratis. Ini gua baru level 6, baru bikin akun gua. Ya gua langsung main ke ranked aja ya, ranked aja guys. Oke. Main. Ini baru yang pertamanya gua main ranked guys, yang di akun baru gua, mobil arena ini. Sekedar informasi, ini gua main di PC bukannya di handphone ya. Jadi kalau agak nge-lag ya malum lah. Kita pakai Batman.
I am Batman.
Kalian gua sih baru ini guys. Ntar kalau ada pistol gua yang super talent namanya sini, capital super. Gua baru 4 kali pakai Batman dan 75 kali kemenangan guys. Enggak.
Get ready. The enemies will arrive in 5 seconds.
Shadows.
Mana ya?
Prepare to engage.
Gua sebelah kiri aja main. Fight. I'm the patient. I'm the night. I am Batman.
I guess I'm not in Gotham anymore.
Gua berani aja sih. Teman gua mana ya?
Get over.
Lag nih.
It's over.
Lag gua guys. Lag. Ping gua cuma 100 tuh.
It's over.
Ya, kalau kita menang kalau sama dia. Ya. Ya sakit guys. Pada dikit lagi anjing. Udah lah.
First blood.
Siapa yang bunuh gua? First blood. Ini ping gua 230 ms. Anjing. Kayak katanya sampai
I am vengeance.
kayak
I am the night. I
gua
am
pula yang mati
Batman.
duluan.
An enemy has been defeated.
Level 2. Level 2 gua sama.
I've got
An enemy has been defeated.
Jadi lu bunuh ya?
You have defeated an enemy.
Oke, kemudian kita. Yang
An
gua yang bunuh.
enemy has been defeated.
Ya. Ya. Lihat. Ya, bunuh Batman.
keep a
Kita ambil
lookout.
buff dulu guys. Buff mana? Ini mananya cepet habis.
An enemy has been defeated.
Kalau udah diambil gua ke tengah ini. Itu tengah udah ada Aaron siapa namanya? Aaron. Bunuh.
You have defeated an enemy.
Sun shall rise again.
Ntar ini.
Keep to the shadows.
Mana sebelah sini dulu guys, kita keliling kota dulu dari sedikit dulu. Aduh, udah habis juga, udah habis juga di sini guys. Bukunya, sini dulu. Semakin gua nyuri bos mana?
Time to end the game.
Dia farming di situ.
Try me.
Anjing.
You have been defeated.
Yaudah, gua mati lagi sob. Gua bunuh 2, gua mati 2. Jadi deal. Nih lo perhatiin nih
Attack
tower.
the enemy,
Ngapain lo
Nina.
berdua sih? Farming lah. Ya udah,
Ultimate.
biasa kayak gini. Orang cari level di sini.
I am vengeance.
Your tower has
I am
been
the night.
destroyed.
Yang menang dia lebih amat di sini sob.
Onslaught.
Salah lagi.
It's over.
Ini bunuh anjing.
An enemy has been defeated. Will have my revenge. Double tap.
Gol. Ini udah deal kita nih.
An enemy
22,
has been
mati 2,
defeated.
asis 2, ya udah. Sekarang giliran gua muter-muter aja di sini.
I guess I'm not in Gotham
Mau ambil
anymore.
grup mana? Duluan orang yang ambil. Ini si siapa nih? Farming aja, bunuh enggak? Farming mulu. Dari tadi farming. Aja.
An ally has been defeated.
Kuat banget.
Keep a lookout.
Group up.
Watch yourself.
Ngabisin semua buku. Farming aja lo situ. Udah. Ayo Batman, kita mukul-mukul minion aja Batman. Tim kita entah apa-apa aja.
I've got this.
Mukul minion aja di situ. Apa?
An ally has been defeated.
Farming aja lah. Farming aja lah.
Time to end this little
Bisa
game.
kita main ya.
An enemy has
Farming
been
aja.
defeated.
Kayak ini kita terus farming.
Double tap.
Ya, ya, farming aja dulu. Farming. Ya, cepat.
Unworthy. You have defeated an enemy.
Mati bosok.
Your team has destroyed a tower.
Gua recall dulu lah.
Onslaught.
Cuma ada tuh lagi yang satu yang aduh. Ini gara-gara si Yunzao farming. Oh dia bisa juga ngancurin tuh.
Keep to the shadows.
Apa-apa dia farming lagi.
An ally has been defeated.
Push.
You have defeated an enemy.
Sun
Batman.
shall rise again.
Ya. Batman kalau tinggi
I guess
juga
I'm
sakit.
not in Gotham anymore.
Team has destroyed a tower.
Yo,
Your
tim
tower
gua
has been destroyed.
yo tank.
Keep a lookout.
Farming juga loh.
Bloodbath. Bloodbath.
Time to end this little game.
Kenapa?
Your team has destroyed a tower. Your tower has been destroyed.
Anjing. Anjing.
Our high ground tower is being attacked.
It's over.
You have been defeated.
Anjing. Ini orang lagi nyerang tower, ngapain
An
kalian
enemy
di situ
has
anjing?
been defeated.
Group up.
You have defeated an enemy.
Tai kucing. Nih,
Group up. Pursue
Nih,
the
lo lihat
enemy
nih.
thing. Our high ground tower is being attacked.
ngapain pada bodoh semuanya?
I am vengeance. I am the night. I am Batman.
Ih, lu tengah anjir.
Tower has been destroyed.
Gila.
You have defeated an enemy. Dominating.
Itu apaan? namanya hero-nya tuh?
Double tap.
Heran
I
gua.
guess I'm not in
Farming
Gotham
aja,
anymore.
farming aja terus.
Got this.
Take a nap.
Farming aja dia anjing. Farming dulu lah.
Your team has destroyed a tower. Dominating.
Harus dapat.
Shut down.
Kalian sih. Kalian level berapa deh?
Watch yourself.
Mati gua.
It's over.
Anjing kejar gua sob.
Enemy has been defeated.
Ini lama lagi.
Time for
An ally has been defeated.
Hampir aja gua mati.
Attack.
into the shadows.
Legendary.
Ya udah mati duluan sob.
Keep to the shadows.
An enemy has been defeated. Defend.
Ya mati.
Legendary. Your team has destroyed a tower.
Gua ada das lagi. Kayaknya kalau gak kita bisa menang.
Keep a lookout.
Ya jelas menang lah. Skor aja 29-8. Dari 29 yang nyumbang itu 7 gua sob, 4 juga gua asis gua. Pistol gua.
It's over.
Onslaught.
Got this.
Kayaknya kan ciri-ciri tower aja. War makanya.
Your tower has been destroyed.
Game.
Bloodbath.
The sun
Not
shall
even a
rise again.
challenge.
Group up.
Ya kita war lagi. Oh, mati lagi ya. Gua belum keluar lagi sob.
An ally has been defeated.
Try me. Into the shadows. Justice.
Dizzy. Gonna hurt.
Try me.
Your team has destroyed a tower.
Will have my revenge.
Wow, why revenge guys? Gua bunuh.
Dominating.
Perasaan gua udah mati tadi dah.
Double tap.
Kayaknya nggak jadi mati, dia yang mati kedua. Aduh, emang sakit ini.
Keep a lookout.
Legendary.
I
Shut down.
Anjing.
Attack.
Apa lah.
Legendary.
Plus saya net 15 sakit soalnya. Ini gap 2 juga mau mati lagi loh. Lama lagi hidupnya. Ayah bunuh tuh bagus. Jangan sampai nggak mati. Ya, bunuh terus. Kejar. Bagus. Mantap.
An enemy has been defeated.
Di sini ada 2 orang.
I am vengeance. I am the night.
Gua juga udah lupa.
I am Batman.
Ini ngapain? Farming aja.
Defeated an enemy.
Terus.
An enemy has been defeated.
I guess I'm not in God.
Double tap.
Ya.
An ally has been defeated. Legendary.
Watch yourself.
Lanjutin situ ya, Zilong. Pos boleh.
You have been defeated.
Ngapain gue lari itu dia? Karena dia udah pakai
An ally has
mati
been
hidup lagi itu.
defeated.
Gue jadi lari jadi. Kasak deng. Wes, ini sakit deng gue nih. Gak jadi sakit ya. Gak dibunuhnya. Takut dia. Gak dibunuhnya oleh tank gue. Di sini ada 2 orang. Sini ada 2 orang. Yun Zhao, nih Yun
Advance on the
Zhao.
enemy, Nina.
Heran gue.
I am vengeance.
Aja hari-hari.
I am the night. I am Batman.
Execute.
Move up.
Keep to the shadows. It's over.
Legendary.
Take a nap.
You have defeated an enemy.
Move up.
Try me.
Move up. Move up.
Di sini anjing. Ini mau diserang ini.
Into the shadows.
Enemy ultimate.
It's over.
Tapi lawan gue so.
Justice.
An enemy has been defeated.
It's over. Try me.
Your team has destroyed a tower.
Man,
It's over. Watch yourself.
Your tower has been destroyed. You have defeated an enemy.
Our high ground tower is being attacked.
mana gue udah habis.
Your tower has been destroyed.
Mana gue udah habis. Asli lu Arwan.
The sun shall rise again.
Ultimate.
I've got this.
Mana gue udah habis sayang. Gua butuh mana.
Move up.
Watch yourself.
Attack.
Habis mana gua.
Justice.
Biasa sih.
It's over.
Onslaught.
Attack.
Game.
Rank gua hebat, cuman yang nggak hebat ya si Zhao gua nih. Kayak anjing mainnya. Farming aja. Ya lah, farming aja, makanya dia nggak mati-mati. Ya, gua bronze 3 guys. Yalah, bronze 3 lah dulu ya. Menengah 3 kali legend. Nah kan anjing nilainya 55. Udah yakin aja tuh anjing tuh nilainya 55. Ting gue hebat soalnya. Benci kali lihat orang kalau main tuh farming aja mulu, bunuh enggak, kontribusi untuk tim enggak, ya enggak? Oke guys, karena apa ya? Udah dulu videonya guys ya. Jangan lupa like, share, and subscribe ya channel ini. Dadah.